Transform your blog into a thriving business.
Ready to transform your passion into profit? It's time to turn your blog into a thriving business. Embrace the journey of growth and creativity as you build a platform that not only inspires but also generates income.
Identifying your niche is crucial for attracting a targeted audience. By focusing on a specific area, you can tailor your content to meet the exact needs and interests of your readers, fostering loyalty and engagement. Creating quality content is essential to keep your audience coming back. Aim to produce valuable, engaging, and consistent posts that resonate with your readers. This will establish your authority and encourage sharing, expanding your reach. Building an email list is a powerful way to connect with your audience. Collect emails and engage subscribers with newsletters. This direct communication channel helps nurture relationships, promote content, and drive traffic back to your blog. Monetizing with ads offers a straightforward revenue stream. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to earn money by displaying ads on your blog. Carefully integrate ads to maintain a balance between monetization and user experience. Affiliate marketing offers a lucrative way to monetize your blog by recommending products and earning commissions. Choose brands that align with your niche to ensure authenticity and trust, enhancing the likelihood of conversions and satisfied readers. Offering digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates allows you to capitalize on your expertise. These products provide value to your audience while generating passive income, making them a win-win for both you and your readers. Leveraging services such as consulting or coaching can position you as an authority in your niche. By offering personalized guidance, you can help your audience achieve their goals while building a profitable revenue stream. Creating a membership site with exclusive content for subscribers fosters community and loyalty. By providing added value through specialized content or perks, you encourage ongoing support and create a consistent income source. Optimizing your blog for search engines increases visibility and attracts more visitors. By focusing on relevant keywords and improving site structure, you can enhance your blog's ranking, leading to greater traffic and potential monetization opportunities. Social media platforms offer a powerful way to promote your blog and grow your audience. By sharing engaging content and interacting with followers, you can increase your reach and drive more traffic to your site. Networking with other bloggers can significantly expand your reach. Collaborate on projects, share guest posts, and exchange ideas to build relationships that benefit both parties, enhancing visibility and credibility within your blogging niche. Invest in marketing tools like analytics software to track your blog's growth and performance. These tools provide valuable insights, helping you refine strategies, optimize content, and identify what resonates most with your audience. Building a strong brand involves developing a unique voice and visual identity. Consistency in branding across all platforms fosters recognition and trust, setting your blog apart in a crowded digital landscape and attracting loyal followers. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a community around your blog. Respond to comments and emails promptly, fostering a sense of connection and loyalty among readers, which encourages ongoing interaction and support. Diversifying income streams is essential for a stable blogging business. By combining strategies like ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products, you create multiple revenue sources. This approach reduces risk and increases financial security over time. Sponsored posts offer a direct way to earn by collaborating with brands. By creating content that aligns with both the brand and your audience, you can deliver value while enhancing your blog's financial potential through paid partnerships. Hosting webinars allows you to engage with your audience in real time. These sessions can provide valuable insights and promote your products or services, establishing your authority while generating income through registrations or product sales. Workshops offer a hands-on approach to sharing expertise. Whether conducted online or in person, they allow you to connect deeply with your audience, providing education and potentially earning revenue through ticket sales or course fees. Video content is a powerful tool for audience engagement. Creating videos can broaden your reach, as they are highly shareable and engaging. This medium allows you to showcase your personality and expertise, attracting a wider audience. Creating video content is a powerful way to captivate a broader audience, as it offers a dynamic and engaging format. Videos can help you demonstrate expertise, connect with viewers emotionally, and increase your blog's shareability. Launching a podcast allows you to delve deeper into your niche topics, offering valuable insights and discussions. It helps you reach listeners who prefer audio content, expanding your audience and fostering a personal connection with them. Focusing on user experience ensures your blog is not only visually appealing but also easy to navigate. A seamless experience keeps visitors engaged, reduces bounce rates, and encourages them to explore more of your content. Setting clear goals is crucial for transforming your blog into a thriving business. By defining your objectives, you can create a strategic roadmap that guides your efforts, ensuring each action aligns with your overarching vision. Consistency is key to maintaining audience interest and loyalty. By adhering to a regular posting schedule, you keep your readers engaged and demonstrate your commitment, which helps build trust and establishes your blog as a reliable source. Investing in professional development is crucial for staying ahead in the blogging world. Continuously learning new skills, such as digital marketing or graphic design, can enhance your blog's appeal and competitiveness, ultimately driving more engagement and growth. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon offer bloggers a unique way to monetize their content by gaining financial support from devoted fans. This approach not only provides a steady income stream but also strengthens community bonds and loyalty. Ensuring your blog is legally compliant and financially sound is essential for running a successful business. This includes understanding copyright laws, tax obligations, and setting up proper accounting systems to protect your blog and its revenue. Tracking key metrics such as traffic, engagement, and revenue helps measure your blog's success. Regularly analyzing these metrics allows you to identify trends, make informed decisions, and adjust strategies to optimize performance and growth. Encouraging readers to subscribe for more tips is a powerful call to action. By engaging your audience and offering valuable insights, you can inspire them to take the first step toward transforming their blog into a thriving business. Subscribe for more tips and inspiration.